I'm today in front of me Honor 50 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go into the notification panel here, and as you can see here we got all our visible icons on our top bar, and just to add or to remove some icons here or just to change the position of the icons, you should click here onto the edit icon. And for example, just to remove some icons from there, you should hold it for a while and drag it here to this down section. And also now just by the same way we can remove here one more icon and then just tap here to done, and you will see the changes here that we just successfully removed some icons from our notification panel. And just to add the icons here by the same way, hold for a while and drag it here to this up section, and for example we'll add the recorder. Now just click here to done, and as can you see we just successfully added here the some icons to our notification panel. And if you want to just change the positions of the icons, for example the first one will stay the Wi-Fi, the second one you wanna to be the airplane mode, the next one location, just hold it and drag it here by this way, hold and drag it to the position where you want to just change, and then just click to done, and you will see here all the changes. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.